What I want you to do is just breathe in, breathe out, close your eyes, and relax. Just breathe in, breathe out, and relax. Deeper, deeply relaxed. I want you to imagine all the muscles in your feet relaxing. Just relax. The muscles in your calves, lower legs, just relax. Continuing to breathe and relax. The muscles in your knees, relaxing. And just relax the muscles in your thighs and relax. And just feel the muscles in your pelvis and in your butt. Just relax the muscles so that you feel yourself sitting heavier in the chair. Nice and loose and relaxed. The muscles in your stomach and your lower back, relax. The muscles in your chest and your upper back, just relax. Just feel the muscles in your neck and shoulders relax. Perhaps you can feel your shoulders drooping a little bit as they get heavier, loose, limp, and relaxed. The muscles in your upper arm relaxing. Muscles in your lower arm, your wrist, your hand, your fingers, relax. Now the muscles in your neck, relax. Muscles in the back of the head, relaxing. The muscles in your forehead, relax. Relax. The muscles in your eyes, relaxing. The muscles in your face, relax. And the muscles in your jaw, just relax. That's right. That's right. Imagine that I place a string on your wrist, and imagine that string is attached to balloons. And as you breathe in, the balloons can begin lifting higher and higher. And as you breathe out, your body relaxes more and more. Every breath in, feel the balloons begin lifting higher and higher. Every breath out, your body relaxing deeper, deeper, more deeply relaxed. That's right. 10 more balloons, lifting even higher and higher. 20 more, lifting, lifting, lifting. And these are happy balloons, so the higher they go, the better you feel. And the better you feel, the higher they go. The higher they go, the better you feel. The better you feel, the higher they go. 100 more balloons begin lifting all the way up now. 200 more. Higher and better, better and higher. The higher they go, the better you feel. The better you feel, the higher they go. Lifting all the way up now, higher and higher. These are happy balloons, so the higher they go, the better you feel. And the better you feel, the higher they go. That's right, all the way up. 300 more happy balloons, lifting all the way up now. That's right, all the way up. In fact, the balloons begin lifting all the way until your arms are straight out like a steel rod. Your arms straight out like a steel rod. Your arms straight out like a steel rod. So the more you try to bend them, the tighter it becomes. The more you try to bend your arms, the tighter they become. Try to bend your arms, they get tighter and tighter and tighter. In a moment, I'll count from 3 to 1. At the number 1, I cut the strings, the balloons float away, your arms drop, and your body goes into a very, very deep, relaxed state. 3, feel wonderful. 2, almost there. At the next number, I cut the strings, your arms fall, and your body goes into a very, very deeply relaxed state. And 1, relax all the way down. That's right. Breathe in, relax, relax. 3, double that relaxation. 2, double that relaxation. You can sit comfortably and relax even more now. Breathe in. Relax. Feeling wonderful. That's right. 3, 2, 1. Double that relaxation all the way down. That's right. And let yourself feel that wonderful, wonderful relaxed feeling. When I say the word sleep, your eyes close and you go even more deeply relaxed. Each time I say sleep, your eyes close and you go even more deeply relaxed. That's right. In a moment, I'll count from 1 to 3. At the number 3, your eyes open and you feel wonderful. 1, 2, stretching, and 3, eyes open, feeling wonderful. How you feel?
Oh, it's lovely.
You feel good? Okay. We're going to play with some suggestibility things or imagination games. So I want you to first take your hands like this. Okay, and hold your arm out. Now I want you to take your fingers, these 2 fingers, and look between them. And imagine, as you look here, imagine magnets in your fingers, pulling the fingers together tighter and tighter. And imagine the fingers moving as they get tighter and tighter and closer. And imagine them getting even closer. And put rubber bands around them, pulling them tighter and tighter and tighter. Really tight now, tighter and tighter until they touch. And when they touch, it feels wonderful. As the more you try to pull them apart, the tighter they become. Try to pull them apart, they get even tighter and tighter. And stop trying and just pull them apart now. No problem, right? Okay. Now that's one way to do it. I want to do another way too. And that's take your hands like this and put them together this way. And look here. And as you look here, imagine there's a magnet here. And that magnet begins pulling the finger magnets closer and closer. Imagine the finger magnets getting closer and closer and closer and closer. I put a string around it and I tie it tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. Finger magnets get closer and closer until they touch. And when they touch, they get so tight, so tight. The more you try to pull them apart, once more, the tighter they become. Try to pull it apart, it gets even tighter. Try to pull it apart, it gets even tighter and tighter and tighter. And stop trying and just pull it apart. How's that feel? Feel interesting?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll do one more variation of that. We're just going to do a whole bunch of these.
Okay.
Okay. I want you to take 2 hands like this and place the fists together. Okay. And look right here and imagine magnets now in your thumbs. And imagine the magnets in your thumbs getting tighter and tighter, closer and closer and closer. As the magnets begin moving, the thumbs begin moving, they get closer and closer and closer until they touch. And when your thumbs touch, they get so tight, they get so tight. It's really weird because when they touch, you feel wonderful. When they touch, you feel wonderful, but they're tight. So the more you try to pull them apart, that wonderful feeling gets tighter and wonderful, more and more. And stop trying and notice a wonderful feeling. As you pull it apart, you feel even better. How's that feel? Feel weird?
Yeah.
Okay. That's called thumb magnets. Once more, take your hands, clasp them together. Hold your hand out like this, huh? And I want you to look right here, right here. And as you look here, I want you to imagine your hands getting tighter and tighter and tighter. Now imagine as if I put glue all over your hands. Glue so they get even tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. The more you try to pull them apart, the tighter they become. Try to pull them apart, they get tighter and tighter. Try to pull them apart, they get even tighter and tighter and tighter. In a moment, when I say that word, you're going to find your eyes close, your body relaxes, and you go even deeper than you've ever been before. Look here. Try to pull them apart. They get even tighter. Try to pull them apart. Are you trying? Try harder and sleep. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Just relax and allow yourself to go even more deeply relaxed. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Double that feeling. Double that feeling. Double that feeling. Even deeper now. Yeah, that's right. When I say sleep, you go even deeper. Even deeper. Even deeper. Sleep deeper. Sleep deeper. Let a wonderful feeling grow. Let it feel even more wonderful now. Feel yourself relaxing and feel your body responding, your mind responding, and your spirit feeling better and better and better. What a wonderful feeling now. Go from the top of your head to the tips of your toes, feeling wonderful. That's right. Okay, let's do two hands. Place them both out like this. Okay. Now all you have to do right now is just close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. And imagine I tie a string on this wrist and it's attached to a bucket full of rocks. So every breath out, those rocks get heavier and heavier. But over here, I tie a string with a balloon. So every breath in, the balloon lifts higher and higher. Rocks get heavier with every breath out. The balloon lifts higher with every breath in. Heavier and higher. Breathe in. Oh, the balloons lift higher. Breathe out. The rocks get heavier and heavier. Breathing in. Balloons lift higher. Breathing out. The rocks get heavier and heavier. Every breath in. Higher and higher. Every breath out. Heavier and heavier. That's right. That's right. Now go ahead and open your eyes and look at your hands. And we cut the strings so the rocks go away and the balloons float away. How's that feel? You okay?
Yeah.
Hold your hands out like this. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax and feel good. Notice as you breathe in, a wonderful feeling comes through you. That's right. I want you to imagine something interesting. And that is this hand here. Imagine it in a bucket of warm water. So that warm water, just feel your hand getting warmer and warmer. And now this hand, let's imagine we place it in a bucket full of cold water. Imagine that hand beginning to get colder and colder. Warmer and warmer. Colder and colder. Now there's a little more warm water beginning to get even warmer, a little hot. And I put a few more ice cubes in this water, so it's starting to get colder and colder. Hotter and hotter. Colder and colder. Hot, hot, hot. Freezing cold. Ice cold. Ice cold. Hotter, hotter, hotter. Cold, cold, cold. You feel that difference? You feel hot and cold. Now open your eyes and look at the hot and the cold. How does this hand feel?
Warm.
Warm, and this one feels cold. Okay, what I want you to do, let me feel that. Yes, I want you to take this hot, hotter, 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 freezing, 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 freezing. I want you to take your hands down, place them on your face, and notice the difference. You feel a difference?
Still warmer.
Warmer and cool, right? Now what I want you to do is take those two hands, and I can feel the difference here. I can feel it. Take them together and let your hands, and notice as that warm and that cool gets together, notice a wonderful feeling just flows through you. And it equalizes so the hands feel perfect. They feel wonderful now. The warm is now correct, and the cool is now correct, and now they're both the same. They feel the same now. But notice as they feel the same, a wonderful feeling. How does that feel?
Better.
Better? Okay, that's great. You're very good at this. Take one hand only. Hold it like this and look here. Now concentrate and imagine. And imagine that arm getting tighter and tighter. Like a steel bar. A steel bar. Imagine that arm getting tighter, tighter, like a steel bar. In fact, the more you try to bend it, the tighter it becomes. Try to bend your arm, it gets even tighter. Try to bend it, it gets even tighter. Try to bend it, it gets even tighter, tighter, tighter. Are you trying? Try harder and sleep. Breathe in, breathe out, relax. Breathe in, breathe out, relax. And let yourself double that relaxation. Let your body feel even more relaxed. And let that wonderful feeling grow even more powerfully. That's right. Breathing in, relax. Double that relaxation, even more deeply relax, and let a wonderful feeling go from the top of the head to the tips of your toes. Feeling wonderful. Here we have a pendulum. You've seen a pendulum before, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to hold the pendulum up. This one's a nice one because if you look right in there, you can see that this crystal has a galaxy inside. It's the Milky Way. And if you look really close, right on the spiral edge, you can see just a small planet. Go ahead and imagine you can see closer. And around that small sun, there's a planet floating around. Now what I want you to imagine, just imagine the pendulum begins to move left and right. All by itself, the pendulum begins to move left and right, left and right. And imagine as you watch it moving by itself, it's turning in circles now, turning in circles, that's right. And imagine it starts to relax you. Imagine your body relaxing, imagine your eyelids getting heavier and heavier. And as it begins to turn even wider, even more, your eyes begin to get heavier and heavier. In fact, your eyelids begin to blink more and more. Eyelids getting so heavy, they just need to close, but you got to keep them open and looking at the pendulum. In a moment, the pendulum will stop moving. Your arm will fall and you will go even more deeply relaxed. 3, 2, 1. Relax all the way down. That's right. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Deeper and deeper. More deeply relaxed. Imagine I have a lemon. You know what a lemon is, right? And if I take my lemon and I cut my lemon, I put half of it away, and I have it, oh, it's juicy. Oh, sorry. Okay, it's a juicy lemon. If I take that juicy lemon and I taste that? How's that feel? Now imagine, if you would, imagine a wonderful feeling. I'd like you to imagine that your hands are like cups or bowls. And inside these bowls of your hands, I'd like you to imagine I place a wonderful feeling. In fact, the last time you felt really good, imagine that feeling inside, as if the feeling of feeling really good is a liquid. And that good feeling is in your bowls of your hands, swirling around and around like a beautiful liquid. And notice as that feeling begins to grow, it gets stronger and stronger. That's right. And imagine that good feeling now begins to lap up and over. It's like the liquid is overflowing, and it's going up your wrists, up your upper arm, and imagine that good feeling, I mean really good feeling, going up your neck, going down your back, going down your chest and swirling around and around through your belly, swirling around and around, getting stronger. Every breath in, you feel that good feeling just open and feeling wonderful. That's right. Your belly, down your upper legs, your lower legs, and that good feeling starting to grow now and feel wonderful. And feel it deep inside as you open to that wonderful feeling. Let my voice guide you and feel that wonderful feeling beginning to grow stronger and stronger as you find yourself feeling it even more powerful now. And that's right, stronger and stronger. And open that feeling and let it grow and flow. Every breath in, feel that feeling getting stronger. And every breath out, that feeling doubles. That's right. Stronger and doubling and stronger. And feel that feeling now even more powerful in your body. Feel it in your spirit. And feel it in your mind. That's right. Feeling wonderful. And let my voice guide you. And let that feeling grow even more. Now I'd like you to notice something really wonderful. That feeling has a color. What color is the feeling? That's right. And that pink feeling begins to grow now and get stronger. And feel it deeper in your body, your spirit, and your mind. And in a moment, your hands begin moving towards your chest. And that feeling gets even stronger and stronger. And when the hands begin moving towards the chest, you feel that feeling get even stronger, deeper in your body, in your spirit, and in your mind. And when your hands touch your chest, your eyes open, and it's like that wonderful feeling explodes throughout. Deep in your body, you feel a wonderful explosion of joy and pleasure. Deep in your spirit, that feeling of joy and pleasure. And deep in your mind, that's right, your mind. Feel that wonderful feeling when your hands touch your chest, that feeling explodes through your body, your mind, and your spirit. Your eyes open, and you see the world like a wonderful explosion of joy, peace, and pleasure. And notice 100 times stronger. The closer it gets, the more powerful it feels. That's right. When you're ready, let it happen. And feel wonderful. That's right. That's right. And there it is. And let that feeling just explode through you. Deep in your body, your spirit, and your mind. And when you're ready and that feeling feels so wonderful, eyes open and feel that wonderful feeling. How's that feel? Feel good?
Feel weightless.
Weightless,
Yeah.
like you're drifting.
Something.
Okay, a floaty feeling is good.